dominant hand hold the milk pitcher about an inch above the espresso cup. Tease the espresso cup slightly toward the milk pitcher. Start pouring the milk slowly into the espresso, aiming for the center of the cup. As the cup fills, gently lower the milk pitcher closer to the surface of espresso and pour the milk faster to allow the microfoam to rise into the surface and create a dessert design. You can see a heart is coming outside when we cut through the pattern. So each latte art design requires skill, precision, and creativity to achieve. Once you complete your latte art design, serve the beverage immediately for your customer or yourself to enjoy. Remember, practice is always the key when it comes to perfecting latte art. Keep experimenting with different pouring techniques and hand movements to create a stunning design that showcases your skill as a barista. That's the end of my sharing. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thank you.